best part of YouTube learning channel. In today's class we are just going to try one picture puzzle, and how to solve that we will see it now. Before starting the video, please share, like, subscribe my channel. If it is the first time you are watching my channel, please hit the subscribe button and there is a bell icon there. If you hit the bell icon, what will happen? You never miss my updates. Okay students, now without getting late, we will start the video. Hi students, picture puzzles, and what is the puzzle we are going to see today? So this is the puzzle we are going to see. So here he given for you this one. So 3 Jerry's along with the skating pad is 18, and 1 Memoji with 2 skating pads with 4 balloons. 1 Memoji with 4 balloons is 20, and then 2 balloons and Jerry along with the pad is 10, and they are asking 4 pads minus those 2 balloons will give you 6. And finally they want the value of 1 balloon, the value of only Jerry not with the skating pad, and the value of each skating pad, and after that you should multiply those values and then you should add this Memoji with the balloons. So we will see now. We'll try to solve this in our notebook. Okay students? So this is our question and we are going to solve this question now. So this one we can easily find out. The first thing is, here we are going to find out each and every individual thing. 3 Jerry's plus 3 pads is equal to 18. So first, Jerry with pad is equal to 18 divided by 3, that is 6. Means Jerry along with the pad is 6. Only Jerry will be 6 divided by 2, that is 3. The value of Jerry is 3 and the value of 1 skating pad is 3. Now we will try to find out the second one. So here we know that the skating pad value is 3, and here they given 2 skating pads. So 2 3s are 6 here, and 2 Memojis with 4 balloons is equal to 20 minus 6, that is 14. So 1 Memoji with 4 balloons is half of that, right? So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. And now we will try to find out this. Now we can find the value of balloon here. We know that Jerry with this pad is 6, right? So this is 6, and 2 balloons, nothing but 4 balloons we can go for. Four balloons is 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. So the value of 1 balloon is 1, right? So here the Memoji is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. The value of Memoji is 3, and this 4 balloons is 4, and the skating pad is 3, and this Jerry is also 3. Now we will see the next line. So here first we are going to do addition. 2 pads are there, so 2 3s are 6 plus again 6, 12 minus 2, but here it is getting wrong answer. So the value of pad is not 3. Yes or no? So here in this we know that balloon value is 1. From this third statement, From this third statement, the balloon value is 1. So because the Jerry, here we find out 3 Jerrys with the pad is 18. So 1 Jerry is equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6. So here 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So that is the reason the value of balloon is 1. Now here we can find out this. Okay, we will do one thing. 2 balloons here. We will find out this. Minus, and here 4. Four skating pads is equal to 6, and minus is there. From here it will go to the opposite side, it will become plus, and 2 balloons is 2, so 8. So 4 skating pads is 8. Then what is the value of 1 skating pad? Yes, 2, because 1 skating pad value is 2. And here we got Jerry along with the skating pad is 6. Means 6 divided by 2 is okay, we will find out here. 1 second. Memoji we should find out, no? So here we got the skating pad value is 2, and here we will get 2 plus 2 is 4, and this is in addition. If it go to the opposite side, it will come subtraction. 20 minus 4 is 16. So 2 memojis is 16. 1 memoji is how much? Yes, 8. Now we will find out here. 1 balloon is 1, and 3 2s are 6, and this Jerry value is 4, and this memoji value is how much memoji we got? Yes, 8. And now you just find out. So this all combinedly, so that is the reason this total value will be 7. So first we will do multiplication. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 8, 36. So the answer is 36.